Bruce Thompson for BT Pilates. Warm up for tennis elbow, shoulder impingement, glides and mobilizations. We want to get the good posture, so lift the heart, lift the head, and maybe lengthen the back of the neck. The impingement happens because there's a tendon squeezed between approximately the tip of the collarbone and the top of the arm bone. So if we can push this upper arm bone away from the tip of the collarbone, there'll be less squeeze or impingement. All we need to do is push the upper arm bone down. We'll just do some joint mobilization for the shoulder joint. Imagine apple in the hand, throw it behind. You see, it's quite relaxed. We want to be relaxed. It's a swinging action. It's not a vicious, hard throw. It's just nice and relaxed. We still got lift the heart, lift the head, maybe lift and lengthen the back of the neck. Pushing, pushing, pushing. That's the most important. With joint gliding, that joint with its rotator cuff into a position where there's no impingement. And then we can put an apple in the box. And I keep pushing on the forearm. That's the most important thing. The rest kind of relaxed and floppy. Just try the other side, pushing. That's the bit where you're pushing the effort in. This is just quite soft. Apple in the hand, throw it behind. Nice and relaxed. It's like your arm and shoulder's going to drop off. And floppy wrist, everything's floppy and relaxed. Still nice and tall. Good. This is Bruce Thompson for BT Pilates.